And this is fireworks in the jar. You're gonna need warm water.
Yep.
Food coloring. You're gonna need
With
vegetable
oil and food coloring.
Food coloring, and then you're gonna slightly mix it.
Yep.
We already did that, Tony.
Okay, we mixed them, so now the next, they're vegetable oil. Okay. Now what we do is you're gonna dump them in there kind of quick, but make sure you get it all in there. Go for it.
What is working?
Is it?
Yeah.
Some of hers dropped to the bottom.
Mine
There it
made
goes.
a big bump.
So this is success.
There, look at hers dropping there.
Mine
Look at the fireworks coming. That's what it's supposed to do. Fireworks are supposed to come dropping down.
put mine
Hers
up
is really
there, put
going
mine up
up top there.
Put mine up top too.
Yeah.
Mine's looking green.
Mine's
Look at them coming down though. Is that cool?
Yeah, I think we have to do
Yours
this in
looks like
another.
polluted water.
Well, I think maybe you used too much syrup in yours, but
No,
hers
because
is
I
more
filled
clean.
mine up.
Look at hers dropping down and stuff, and bubbling up. Yours is doing it. There it goes. Look at
Mine looks like mermaid water, especially big.
mermaid water down there.
Hers looks like.
No, look at it. Hers is dropping now. Some of it just takes a little time, then it goes. Here, I'll back up. I can get both.
Ooh, Tony,
Look
look
at-
over here.
Tony, what number
Like
is
this,
this?
you can see the water like stop. Like if you, I don't know if you can see on the camera,
Yep.
but like you can actually see the water.
There, look at
stop.
look at yours, Van. You can see.
Tony, what number is this?
Vanna,
Experiment number 5.
Vanna, come over here.
Yeah, come on.
Look, see,
Yeah,
look.
look at.
You can see it. The colors just sitting in the water.
And this was success.
A success. This was a success. You think?
Where's
All right.
Oliver? Hey, Oliver.
Yeah,
come-
Oliver's supposed to be the star.
Oliver.
Oliver.
Hi. Hot water,
Yep.
lots of vegetable oil, and then I'm just using one color.
All right.
It's a lot of drops.
That's like 6. And it's going really faster than the other ones because I'm using hotter water.
Look at it go.
It's blue.
A lot of it went to the bottom, but there's a lot of it dropping through there.